Let me ask you something. When was the last time someone said something really kind to you? Now, when was the last time someone criticized you? Which one do you remember more clearly? Yeah, that's not weakness. That's not you being sensitive. That's your brain running a program you never agreed to install. And today I'm going to show you exactly what's inside it. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain is not on your side. Every morning you wake up, it's already scanning. Not for opportunities, not for reasons to feel okay, for everything that could go wrong. And the terrifying part, you have no idea it's happening. You post something online, 40 people love it, one person hates it. Which comment are you thinking about at midnight? You have a great day. Then one driver cuts you off on the way home. What do you tell people about your day? Your partner does 50 kind things this week. One small argument on Friday. What keeps you up at 3 a.m.? This is your brain. Negative experiences hit your brain 2 to 5 times harder than positive ones of the exact same size. Not a little harder. 2 to 5 times, your brain processes bad faster. Stores it deeper, recalls it more vividly. You're walking around with a highlight reel, but your brain only saved the lowlights. Your brain isn't doing this to hurt you, it's doing this to protect you. Hundreds of thousands of years ago, one missed threat meant death. The anxious ones survived. The relaxed ones didn't. You inherited that brain. The same system that kept your ancestor alive on the savannah is now firing when someone leaves you on read. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a lion and a passive-aggressive text message. You can't delete negativity bias. It's in your hardware. But here's what actually works when something good happens: sit with it. Even 30 seconds, let it land. Good moments need extra time to stick. When you catch yourself spiraling, say this out loud: this is my brain doing what it was built to do. That one sentence creates distance. And distance gives you choice. Every compliment you brushed off, your brain did that. Every good moment that passed too fast, your brain did that. Every night you lay awake over something small, your brain did that. Not you, your brain. And now that you know, you don't have to keep letting it run on autopilot. Your brain loves negativity, but you don't have to. See you in the next one.